Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquin, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss a new topic on LibreOffice package. Actually, LibreOffice is a open source and free software. This package contains several important applications like Writer, Impress, Calc, etc. And today I will discuss the first video on Writer. Writer in LibreOffice is nothing but in Microsoft Office we know MS Word. So LibreOffice contain the Writer application and Microsoft Office contain Word application. So they have lots of similarities and have some dissimilarities in some cases. So I will discuss this particular application Writer elaborately today. So go to the computer screen. Through LibreOffice, one of the application Writer, I will show different type of operations. Okay, so let's dive in. Hello friends, I'm just within the LibreOffice Writer and here I'm just doing lots of operation which is so much similar to the Microsoft Word, right? So the style, the appearance, near about similar but have some differences. Okay, the LibreOffice is a open and free software, so that's why nowadays it's so much popular throughout the world. Okay, and it has lots of applications because LibreOffice is a package which contains some applications like Writer, which is a word processor, Calc, which is a spreadsheet, and Impress, which is a presentation. Okay, today I will discuss on LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so at first the topmost the part, this part actually is known as title bar, where when we save that file, whatever the name, it will come into there and should written like that, LibreOffice Writer. Okay, the next part, this file, edit, view, insert, these are actually known as a menu bar. Okay, and these icons in horizontally given, these are actually the toolbar, and this toolbar is known as standard toolbars. Okay, and these toolbars is known as formatting toolbar. Okay, and these are the sidebar. Just click on these properties, we get lots of options which is already given in this toolbar, either in standard or in formatting part. Okay, and these are actually the window where we write our document here, because the Writer, this word processor is needed because to write some document here, and this is actually the zoom control. Okay, and this particular part, this sliding is just known as vertical scroll bar. Through that we can scroll easily vertically. Okay, now for documentation is concerned, I just write some few lines here. Suppose I just write here, you are watching Technical Arquin YouTube channels video. Okay, and next line, suppose I just write in that way, the category of this channel is educational. Okay, just write two lines. Okay, and whatever we written into there, they have some font type and size. Suppose in technical we just put this T is capital, and then we select this Technical Arquin at first, and then if we change the font size, just go to this part and just choose suppose 24 pt, so we just increase into there. If we want to put some color from there, we can choose into there. Suppose we put this red color, so it's coming to there. Suppose we put the bold, just click this B, we get that. Okay, this underline is given. Why? Because this particular word is not put within this dictionary, this LibreOffice Writer is concerned. That's what is given. So we just right click on that and ignore all, and also this YouTube is given, just put ignore all. Okay, and suppose we change some font. We just suppose we select this, you are watching this part, and choose one of the font from there. Suppose we choose the font type, for example Calibri, so the font is changed. And if you want to change the font size, so also go to this sidebar is concerned, and then we choose from there, this is the increase font size, so just click into there. We can also get that from there. Okay, and suppose we write here H2O, this is the formula of water, but 2 should be in suffix part. So in that case, what happens, we choose this 2 from there, and there is a, this part is a subscript is there, means just between this H and O, just in below, so is a subscript. Okay, so we can choose that part and it will come into that. So if we again increase this font size, so it's like that. Again, suppose choose another example, suppose H2SO4 is a sulfuric acid formula, we know, just choose 2 and then just click into this subscript. Again choose this 4, just click into this subscript. So when we need to change something, we should select that particular character or the number is concerned. Okay, and suppose another part is considering, suppose we put some formula a plus b whole square. We know this is a common formula. Suppose a square plus 2ab plus b square, but what happened, this 2 is should go into the power, should be superscript. So in that case, we select this 2 and this is the superscript part, just click, it just go into that. So a square should be also in superscript, b square 2 should be this superscript, just click into there. Okay. Now for example, suppose we write some wrong spelling, suppose write here PALATABBLE, the word should be palatable, so PALATABLE, this is the correct one. So if we want to rectify this mistake, so don't remove that. So in that case, the editing is concerned, just select this and then just going to strike through. That means it given that in that way this one is wrong and the correct one is PALATABLE, right? This is a strike through. And also suppose this is a bold is already given, because this is a bold part, technical argwen. And suppose this particular bold part is concerned, you want to put into some underline, so just click in that part, you, and thus underline is given, just underline. Suppose this educational is there, suppose we want to increase the size of this font, so again we choose this one, and then suppose we take some another font, suppose Arial black is there, and put different color, suppose choose some green from there. Okay, and now we just choose another thing is italic, just click into there. So it's a bold with italic is there. Okay, and also suppose this line, the category of this channel, we want to increase the size, so also we can do it that way. Okay, so these are the different modification we can do through this particular writer word processor, which is provided by the LibreOffice, because it's an open and free software is concerned. Okay, now the another thing is that if you want to save this particular content given or written into there, just go to file and just choose save. Okay, now it's very important because in Microsoft Word we know either it's a DOC or DOCX, but here extension should be ODT, open document text. Okay, so whatever the file name we should provide, suppose example 1, and just save, suppose in the desktop section in my computer is concerned, and just click save. So it is saved in that file name, just see example1.odt, because the extension for this writer in LibreOffice is concerned should be .odt, open document text. In Word, in MS Office Word is concerned, that extension is docx or doc, but here .odt, open document text. Okay, now there is a two things there very important for save and save as, and also the shortcut is there for save, Control S. What the difference between save and save as means, when you modify something within your current document is concerned and you save that, so it will already save within that current document is there. Okay, now suppose we put some extra modification, then you can very easily you can understand the difference between save and save as. Just another example is there. Suppose we write here, for example, the date. Okay, suppose our independent day for India is concerned 15th August. Okay, now we just put that date within that document. Okay, now if we save the file, so what happened, doesn't change within these appearances, means example 1.odt just contain this extra line whatever given into there. But suppose we want to put another thing, suppose we write here the year of this year is concerned 2023. Now we don't need to save the year within that file example 1.odt. In that case, means when save as is concerned, we save that file into different file actually. Don't save within the current document. So go to the save as, then it want the name. So we put the name, suppose example 2. Extension the same should be, and now we save that file. So example 2.odt is there. Now what happened? You just if we just go to this desktop part, just see, this is my desktop part is concerned, just see there is a two file is there, example 1 and example 2. Two different file is there and both are ODT. Just check, go to the property, yes, .odt, and same way if you go to example 1 is concerned, same thing is a .odt. Okay, so that means save means we are saving within the current document, but save as means we are saving in a different file, means don't save the current document. Okay, so this is the difference. We need some cases the current document, and sometimes we need the different file to save the content. Okay, now go for the another thing is concerned. Suppose you go to the file and you want to save this file into some PDF format, right? It's very important. So just go to the file and there is a option is there, export. The option is export as, and choose export directly as PDF. Again see, file, export as, and choose export directly as PDF. Click it. They want where you want to save it. So we want to save into the desktop part, and suppose put the name is example 3 and the extension PDF. We know portable document format for PDF is concerned, and we save it. So we can directly save the ODT file if we need to into the PDF format, means we are export it into the PDF format is concerned. So if you go again in my desktop part, just see is, yes, example 3 is there, just double click into there, the same content is there in PDF, the name is example 3. Right, now suppose we want to put some watermarks, right? So how can put these watermarks? So just go to this particular format and there is an option watermark. What does mean? Watermark means each and every page in behind contains some text. Suppose we just write here technical arcoin. This particular text should be given just behind in that page. Okay, and suppose we put this transparency level is near about suppose 73 and put OK, and there is a different color is there. Suppose we choose the color is suppose for red is concerned and press OK. So just see, the particular page contain technical arcoin behind as a watermark. And not only that, if you just go to the next page, just enter the next page, yes, it's contain also the watermark. Okay. And if you want to remove this watermark, same way, just go to the format, go to watermark, and then just remove this text from there. Or suppose we want to change something, suppose right here YouTube channel and press OK, and suppose we choose the different color, suppose yellow is there, just see, it will change the name, whatever the watermark is given before technical arcoin, now change into YouTube channel. Or you can remove directly. How? Just go to the format, watermark, and don't put any text from there and press OK. so watermark will be removed from there. Okay. So this is the basic concept for LibreOffice Writer is concerned. Okay. And also the other part is there. Suppose we want to set up the page, right? So in that case we go to the format, and there have some page style is there. Okay. And if we choose this page style, and there is a option is page, so there is a margin is given. In the left part is 2 cm, right is 2 cm, top 2 cm, bottom 2 cm. Suppose if you reduce this top position, suppose 1.00, only 1 cm, and also the bottom 1 cm, apply and press OK. Just see the text will be somehow above within there. Okay. So this is the part of the page setup is concerned. And suppose you write something and you want to see when it print how will be displayed on that page. So there is an option is print preview. Just go to file and choose print preview. So it shows whatever the document you have written within that particular page within this .odt file. So it display when you print, it should be look like that. Okay, so this is the part of the print preview. Okay, so I hope you have understood some of the operation whatever today I am already shown. This video is concerned. So in my next video, the other operation of this LibreOffice Writer will come. So keep watching my channel. If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have some doubts or some questions, should write in the comment section. For today's video is concerned, I will try to solve this problem. So keep watching my channel Technical Arcoin today up to this. Thank you and bye bye.